Right, today we are detailing my 911. Lots of swirl marks, it's black, deserves some special treatment. Today is that day, so those of you whining about why you got swirl marks on your 911, today we get rid of them. I'm gonna say it straight up. I genuinely didn't know the paintwork was in this bad condition. Outside it looks a lot better, but when you get it properly inside under proper lighting and you actually look, there's a lot of swirl marks, there's sanding marks, pigtails. It's not good. This is a lot of machining to do, so I'm a little bit depressed about it, but never mind. Let's get a crack on with the job. Okay, so we pulled it in. I need to do decontamination, so I'm gonna clay it, remove the headlights, tape it up, and get ready for machining. It's just a lot of work. Okay, change of plan. I'm not 100% sure why these aren't coming out. And I can't be bothered to investigate it because I don't know what I need to do. So, put the cover back on, we'll tape the headlights up. It was time to remove the decals off the lower half of the vehicle so I could properly machine polish those lower sills, and then the stickers were peeling off the window, so I decided to get rid of them as well. Right, so we've completed the claying. We've caused a little bit of marring, not too bad, but we're on to machining now. So the car's taped up, ready to be machine polished. We're going one step with a microfiber pad. I think it'll be sufficient. We will see. I haven't really used a microfiber pad that much before. Always used sponge pads, but let's give it a shot. This stage was going fantastic right up until this moment. Suddenly the machine polisher just broke. The housing came off, and so I decided just to glue it back together. I've had this polisher for like 10 years, kinda annoying it happened now, but I had to get this job done. I wasn't digging the microfiber pad, so it was time to go back to the sponge pad. So the majority of the machining is completed with that 5-inch pad, and then the air tool 3-inch pad. Somewhat I've done a bit, but I'm going to do the rest by hand because I have to. So yeah, let's crack on.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
car, this was not ideal. Okay, so we're somewhat finished. Paint correction is done and tidied it all up. Didn't really go as well as I wanted it to go. I was limited to that 15mm DA, and this car's got so many curves. I really needed like an 8mm 3-inch, which I just didn't have, so it caused so many problems. And the correction, whilst it's done, it's just not done as good as I want it to be, so I'm kind of disappointed in myself here. So probably I'll come and revisit this and we will correct it once more to really get it done properly.